The Denver Yoga Summit offers a weekend of yoga movement, philosophy, and connection, uniting the Colorado yoga community and beyond. The founder and director, Brittany Hopkins Switlick, joins me now. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Well, you are a best-selling author, you also run a yoga studio, and you're the creator of the Denver Yoga Summit. What is your personal mission behind this, and kind of what inspired you to create this conference?
Yeah, I really am just excited about bringing the Denver yoga community together.
Okay.
You know, our tagline is from the mat into the world. And the idea is that so many people think that yoga is just a thing we do on a rectangle mat and it's exercise, which it is that, and it's so much more. And we want people to walk away from the Denver Yoga Summit feeling like they have the tools of the deeper aspects of yoga to live their everyday lives as the kind of person they want to be.
Yeah, we were talking before the show and you're telling me more about like these 8 branches of yoga and all of those things. So that's what will be provided, that's what they'll be able to experience during this conference?
Yeah, it'll be a full immersive weekend where you can take yoga classes. Yes, you can do the asana practices, but you can learn about yoga philosophy, you can learn about energetic anatomy, physical anatomy. There will be live music and sound experiences, so it'll be all 8 limbs of yoga.
Great. And tell us the when and the where that this is taking place.
September 11th through 13th, 2026, so a few months away, at Denver Botanic Gardens at Chatfield Farms. So if you haven't been there, it's a stunning 700 acres of native gardens and views of the foothills. You want to be there.
Yeah, well, and we're seeing the pictures right now on screen. It's going to be just an absolutely beautiful and immersive place for the Denver Yoga Summit. You also have something that's called a reconnection, like reset. Give us those details.
So a part of yoga is a concept called seva, selfless service.
Okay.
And 5% of our proceeds will be going to local not-for-profits, as well as we're offering monthly free reconnection resets where people can come, anyone who feels overwhelmed, stressed out, I don't know who doesn't feel that way these days.
Sure.
It's a free 90-minute workshop that we offer monthly we'll do guided journaling, meditation, gentle movement, there's a sound bath. It's just delightful. So everyone's invited.
Yeah. And so our viewers who are watching right now, how can they connect with you, not only for the Denver Yoga Summit, for yoga classes, for the reset, all of those different experiences that are available?
Yeah, head over to our website at denveryogaSummit.com. And we're also on social media, Instagram at Denver Yoga Summit, Facebook. We really do want everyone to feel connected, like they belong and like they're becoming the person they want to be. So yeah, find us online and come to one of the resets. The next one is March 22nd.
Wonderful. And I can just already feel you spreading that energy here through the community. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me.
And attend the Denver Yoga Summit from September 11th to 13th, or join one of the free monthly reconnection resets, with the next one happening on March 22nd. Visit denveryogaSummit.com or follow them on social media at Denver Yoga Summit.